Hello friends, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well. So today we are going to try 10 lines on Utkal Divas or Odisha Day. Utkal Divas is celebrated on 1st April annually. It marks the formation of the state of Odisha. It was formed in the year 1936. It celebrates the rich culture and heritage of Odisha. It was the first state in India formed on a linguistic basis. Madhusudan Das played a key role in forming the state. Schools and colleges celebrate this day with special events. The day promotes unity among the people. It is a public holiday in Odisha. People remember the contribution of great leaders on this day. Traditional dance and music are performed on this day. It is a day for pride and joy for all Odia people. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.